So what are we looking at?
3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a little over 1,200 square feet. They're asking $490.
Well, you picked a beauty.
Well, I've been looking at the entire neighborhood for like weeks. This area of Anaheim is actually unique because it has a pocket of homes that were designed by the mid-century architect Cliff May. We flipped one in Long Beach a couple years ago, and this one might be our next project. Israel!
Hey!
Wait, is that the front door? Let's go to the front.
Is that the front door?
No. Well, in the other house, they didn't have a front door.
That's the front door. It has the landing and everything.
You remember Cliff May House, Long Beach?
Yeah.
There was no actual front door. It was through the courtyard.
You're right.
One of the distinct architectural details of a Cliff May home is that you enter into the courtyard and then into the house. Someone must have added this front door at some point, which messed up the flow of the entryway, which was originally intended when the house was built.
Oh, my Lord. Yikes.
This is really weird.
That was the style?
We gotta remember, Cliff May was the architect. This is probably the homeowner special.
Wow, it's like a time warp. With this type of house, we'd have to open everything up. Any idea what it would cost to get rid of all these walls?
Which walls are you talking about?
This wall, those walls, and this makeshift wall. Just open it all up.
So this, you could open up
How do you know it's not load bearing?
because all of this area is opened up, so the rafters go from this beam to the end of the house.
Ah.
But I'm positive this is load bearing
Okay, why?
because that's too long of a span. From that beam to the end of that wall, you gotta have some type of support, and I've done plenty of these.
If we open it up, we would have a post here,
Post
9-foot
here.
gap, and then a second post.
There's no way around that?
You would have to increase the budget.
Well, how much would it be?
You're talking about $6,500 and time.
We can't leave a post in the middle of the room.
2 posts.
We can't leave 2 posts in the middle of the room.
I've done it before. It's a lot of work here.
Oh, don't start with a lot of work stuff. I know what that means. 10, 12 grand?
With an island and everything, say about 12 grand.
Oh, this is a weird, like, non-permitted covered patio thing.
It's a sunroom.
What do you think it would take to 86 this one?
There's a lot of things right here that could create a can of worms. We don't know if they took down the stucco. We don't know if they took down the siding, the roof. I don't want to give you a number, then you hold me to it.
I've never done that.
Oh, yeah, you have.
All right, so we have 1 small bedroom, really weird, funky looking small bedroom,
Fancy decor.
and we have a tiny bathroom. Izzy, what, 8,000?
Less than that. This is small. This is a small bathroom. 6,500.
So, what are your thoughts, Izzy?
If we just do your basic flip, you're looking at about 75. That doesn't include the contingencies of this illegal sunroom. The breezeway's a total disaster, and you guys always seem to spend a little bit more money on the finishes. 75 is my base number.
All right, lot to think about.
After negotiating back and forth a few times with the seller, we ultimately paid $445,000. Hey, you can see through. Dishes are done, man. Israel, go. Jeez.
So this roof over at the courtyard is a lot worse than we thought. Well, they built a roof on top of your roof.
Jeez. What are we looking at?
You're looking about $3,800.
Really? For just this one area?
Yeah, this thing's a disaster, dude.
Yeah, I could tell. What's up, Izzy?
Hey, what's going on?
Hi.
Looks like a different house.
Yeah, it's coming.
Oh my gosh,
coming
look how much
along.
better it is without the creepy patio cover.
Looking better already.
You know what? Look at this space. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought.
Protected by Cliff May.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool. His stamp of approval. So the question is, do we just run a big island here? Still have a little dining area here? Living room there?
So if you run your island over here, then, I mean, it's just gonna block everything there.
I think it's really weird to open the doors and walk straight into the island. That doesn't make sense.
I don't know if this is within budget. How difficult would it be, Izzy, to move the doors to this side, and then this whole thing would be kitchen wall. You enter right into your dining area. But I mean, it's better than, you know, not having the wall for cabinets and walking into the island, I would
Right.
think.
I had allocated money for this whole section. So to relocate them, it's not a cost to you.
And now these doors need to be closed off.
They're clearly not original to the house.
Framing, putting some batten board, and drywall that, it's gonna be about 1,800 bucks.
All right, let's close it up. Israel,
Hey, guys.
you guys on vacation? What's going on here?
I wish it was vacation time, man. This house is really beating me up, man.
Wait, no, what's going on, really? We just got here, nothing's done.
Okay, so didn't think moving the door from one side to the next, it was gonna be a big deal. Inspector stopped us. He had an absolute fit.
Why?
Wait, yeah, why?
Apparently that was a lateral brace door that triggered off a bunch of structural issues. So now that's gonna bring some delays.
2 days? 3 days?
I wish it was days. I gotta redraw the house, new details, the engineering, and city permits. I don't even wanna say it. It's gonna be more like 2 to 3 weeks.
Ooh. Ouch.
A 3-week delay is actually a really big problem because time is money, and the longer it takes to finish this house, the longer it's gonna be until we can sell this house. When you're flipping houses, you have to move as fast as possible because if you take too long, the market can change and you can actually lose money.
Jeez. Oh, I can't believe it's still raining.
Israel!
Hey!
Why so wet?
It's like we're not even in California anymore.
The house isn't done?
We got some major issues.
Wait. We had major issues last time.
Yeah, no, these are a little bit more major.
Major?
Yeah. You see all these wet marks?
Oh, no.
Oh God, they're everywhere.
And it's not just the house. So,
Wait, so we need a new roof for the house itself and this huge garage.
yeah.
Oh, geez, my luck.
This already has like 2-3 layers, tearing it all out, new roof covering. It's gonna be $7,500.
Yeah,
My God.
it's a big hit.
I mean, that is just artwork.
It's my favorite design we've done.
So you live in the backsplash?
Yeah, the whole design is beautiful. I wish we could do more of these mid-century houses because you actually get really into the design.
Love everything about it. I love the cabinets, that they're dark. I love that we did the light flooring. This island is huge, it's open. If we would have left those doors right here, we never would have had this layout.
Yeah, it would have ruined the entire design.
Hey,
Door looks better.
they do look better, but what do you think of the courtyard?
Out of 10, I'm gonna give it like a 7.
The entire rehab, everything was $100,000.
Yikes.
We paid $445 for the house. Selling costs, closing costs, all that to sell the house. Our break even is gonna be $570,000.
Okay.
Down the street is a recently flipped Cliff May, and that one sold for $662,000.
Okay.
It had one more bedroom than us. Our design is nicer. That one had a pool, but we have more yard.
Okay, so based on that, what are you thinking?
You know, originally I was thinking $659.9, but now that I'm here, the vibes I'm feeling, I'm thinking $649.9.
I think that's definitely a smart price.
I just feel like we spent so much time and money here, we should go for more, but in the market we're in, if we get greedy, we're gonna lose.
Right, and that's still a good profit, so I wouldn't get too greedy.
Ta-da!
Oh, yes. This is by far the coolest house we've done in a long time. I love the geometric on the geometric. Like, it actually works. And this long island looks amazing.
And one thing that doesn't bother me, having the post there. I didn't even think about it.
Yeah, it goes away. Especially because the staging looks so super cool, like no one's gonna notice.
I just love these bathrooms. We did a lot of little details here.
Oh, it opens to a courtyard.
Ooh, it's like your own little compound here.
Well, this is
This is a nice area
nice.
for the kids to play at, huh?
Yeah, we can put little swings. Not too big, not too small.
Oh my goodness, what a beautiful bathroom. And I love the black hardware. Wow.
It's a lot of nice natural lighting.
Yeah.
Look at all these beautiful windows.
Pedestal sink. There's
yeah.
no storage. That's kind of a downfall.
You could always put those really cute baskets underneath.
Sure.
It's workable.
The lady with the dog didn't buy the house, but 10 days later, we received an offer at $650,000.